may dalawa tayong problems na isa-solve, pero ito muna yung isolve natin. So, C1, ibig sabihin isa lang yung constant. Ibig sabihin, isang beses lang tayo magde-differentiate. D over dx. Magiging dy over dx or pwede na lang na maging y prime equal to 4, 0 yan, times plus 3 times c1 e raised to 3x. Alam natin na from the original equation na y is equal to 4 plus c1 e raised to 3x, c1 e raised to 3x is equal to y minus 4. Kasi nilipat tong 4 dito sa left side. Substitute natin dito, magiging y prime is equal to 3 times y minus 4. So, y prime equal to 3y minus 12. Lipat lang natin lahat sa left side, magiging y prime minus 3y plus 12 equal to 0. Yan na yung final answer. Next problem naman, y is equal to c1 plus c2 e raised to negative 4x. Dalawa ang constant. Ibig sabihin, dalawang beses tayo mag-differentiate. Next, una natin gawin is d over dx. Magiging dy over dx or pwede na ng y prime is equal to 0. Huwag natin isulat. Minus 4 c2 e raised to negative 4x. Differentiate ulit natin. Y double prime is equal to negative 4 times negative 4. Magiging positive 16. c2 e raised to negative 4x. Itong equation na to, multiply natin by 4. Magiging 4y prime is equal to negative 16 c2 e raised to negative 4x. Copy lang natin to. Magiging y prime is equal to 16 c2 e raised to negative 4x. Yan, since opposite sign silang dalawa, ito negative, ito positive, pwede natin silang makancel. Kaya ang matitira na lang ay 4y prime plus y double prime is equal to 0. Yan na yung final answer.